The drought currently covers 98% of California, and more than 44% of California is in the exceptional drought phase, which means that it is in the worst level of a drought possible. Currently, this is the driest period in the state's 163 years of recorded rainfall history. Cities and towns are now required to cut 25% of water use to save an estimated 1.5 million acre-feet of water over the next 9 months. According to a new analysis of NASA satellite data, it will take about 11 trillion gallons of water, around 1.5 times the maximum volume of the largest U.S. reservoir, just to recover. Because of this drought, there have been many huge impacts to both California's environment and agriculture. Although California is the world's 5th largest supplier of food and grows 43% of the nation's fruits, nuts, and vegetables, there has been at least $2.2 billion in total economic losses just this year. The estimated crop revenue loss amounts to $810 million, mostly due to water shortages that have forced many farmers to let their fields lie fallow. Lastly, the high temperatures and dry air make the state far more susceptible to experiencing wildfires. So many series of wildfires have spread across the state that by December 2017, there was a record of 129 million dead trees in California.
So, what is desalination? It is when you remove the salt from the ocean water and make it actually drinkable. The water goes through rigorous disinfecting stages before it's transformed by reverse osmosis process, which is the removal of debris, sand, and then lastly salt by pumping water through various semi-permeable membranes. These plants are usually bodies of salt water, so 2 pipes could both feed and discharge ocean water from the plant. Typically, these plants require gas or electricity. However, we are interested in using the sun through solar thermal energy. Solar thermal energy produces electricity indirectly. Fluid is heated with something that concentrates sunlight and heat onto it, which produces steam that powers a generator that produces electricity. Solar thermal energy generators look somewhat like big mirrors surrounding pipes that heat the liquid to power the generators.
Our specific application of this technology would be to get government funding to build a solar thermal desalination plant in LA County. This plant could be later paid for in taxes. One could be built in the Marina del Rey area, which is along the water and also has pockets of unpopulated space between its residential areas. A successful desalination plant in Tampa provides up to 25 million gallons of water to the region daily, which would be very beneficial to civilians in LA County as well as agriculture in the area that has been hindered due to the drought. We will use stainless steel pipes because it is a corrosion-resistant metal and they will be safe to use with salt water. Last but not least, we are aware that desalination plants also produce waste, and we are trying to be as efficient as possible here since we are using solar thermal energy. The solids from the filtered water that usually get dumped into a landfill would be transferred into a composting facility that is also open to the public and monitored simultaneously with the water operation.